that was all fun and all, but I was wondering if we could spice things up a little bit.
What are you talking about, babe? What exactly do you want me to do?
You go really slow, and I was wondering if you could just speed it up a little bit. You know, like how they do it in the songs? That's not what I meant by spicing things up. I'm talking about when you're, stabbing it. What you Jamaicans call?
Oh, you want me to rough you up in the bed? But I love when we do it slow and nice. You don't like it? I want you to feel like, I love you. That's why I do it slow and steady with you.
Andy, that's getting a little boring and old. I wanna have fun. It's not fun, and you're not doing it right. So I was just wondering if we could do something different. Like next time?
Next time, for sure. Look, oh girl, what you do? How you finna mess up the place, so? They all them bad breed foreign pitney, you know.
Anthony, I love your pants. I mean, it really shows a lot of buff.
Mommy, you call me a forward. After me never hear you, your mother call you. Everybody in the house say I go they miss weird things say me hold, but it look like say, I don't know that me the Ross. Hold on there, easy there. Wait, me take me Viagra. You ready for me? Come, we do it in my bathroom. Shit there.
So what you live rich life, you have butler clean your house? Wanna be like you when me grow up. So I'm going with you. Here set up the game and everything. Come be ready for have some fun.
Yeah man, daddy head out on the road so just me and you.
I'm always looking forward to seeing Anthony. Alright, so let's get this going. I am bored. You know if I'm when me lock up in the house. I sleep over too.
Really? Your mother cool with that?
It's not up to she to be cool about nothing. It's up to me. Boy, really nice down here. You have this all to yourself.
Yeah man, daddy not stay for long, and me I go stay.
You start school, right? How's private school?
It's alright. I'm kinda popular still.
You popular? That's surprising. It's really cozy down here.
Yeah, grandma, do you want to rent it out?
And you get it, you're real lucky.
Thanks.
So you're really not plan for go back to Jamaica? As soon as me graduate high school, me and go back. Me not care. My grandmother have a house down there. She said me can stay there if I want to. Can't wait for go back.
Really, Miss Things say like there. So you get up and leave already. I think you should stay longer. Me and you can hang out more, like old times. Don't leave.
You have to just come visit me when me go back. Me don't want to stay here no more, right? It's boring. But, and plus I miss all of my friend them. Peer mix up a going down there. From we left. Peer excitement, peer party. Why I miss out on everything, Junior. You don't realize it? I want to go back home. I really do.
I feel like if you just wait it out a little bit.
I will think about that.
Just make up your mind from now. I mean, more than miss you if you leave. That'd be like you leaving Jamaica the first time. Me they really miss you when you left, me not lie.
Aw, that's so sweet. Me miss you too. But anyways, you ready for play some game or something? I'm bored.
Me don't wonder if you don't want make something to eat first. Remember, you're a big chef. And plus me don't want waste the money or Uber no food. Me have some spaghetti and stuff put on, so anytime you're ready. Or you can make me make the food.
Nah man, we can't have you bun down a new place already. Let's see. What you have to cook? You definitely not touch nothing right, so come me no want. Ow! Shit.
But I'll chop off your finger now. But they'll carefree, so you're good.
From when do you want to watch a new episode? Come sit with me. Just so stupid. Junior, did you forget? You promised me that we were gonna watch a movie tonight. I posted it all over Snapchat. How come you didn't see?
Shit. Oh, Sabrina, this is my friend Diana. Diana, this is my girlfriend Sabrina.
I'll watch this when I go home later on Netflix. What's wrong?
We were supposed to hang out next week Friday, not this Friday, and I texted you and I told you that I had plans today.
My bad.
I promised my friend Diana that we were gonna watch a show together. Plus, my dad wanted to speak to her about something.
That's fine. Let me give you a massage.
Alright. You're kinda hurting me.
I'm sorry. Alright, Diana, play it cool. You and him just friends, right? And it's just friends. You're with Lois, he's with she. Play it cool. Don't get vexed. Don't make it look no way. You might think say you still want him. You don't want him, right? No. I can't want him. Him cheat on me, so I don't want him. Oh, this is so frustrating. Maybe I should just go home. This is gonna be kind of awkward. No, it can't awkward. We're just friends, so it's not gonna be no awkward. Junior, can I get something to drink? Can I get something too, please?
Yeah, man, cool. This is my specialty.
A real special. I haven't gotten drunk in so long, like when I went to my cousin's birthday party in Brampton. I need to use the bathroom. Really did miss you. Remember when me and you did dance at my grandmother's wedding? I miss those days with your Junior.
Miss them too. Junior, wake up. Why you that drink here really? Then you drink liquor. Daddy, why you wake up there and I just bail now? It's not Jamaica, you know. You can't do this. Daddy, it was one time. Just relax. I'm gonna wake up the white girl there and send her home.
Brittany, wake up. My god, did I fall asleep? So embarrassing. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, Brittany. You gotta leave. My dad's here. He's kind of upset. Don't worry, I called you an Uber, okay? We'll see you next week, alright? Sorry about today. I didn't want this, to you to get drunk and pass out, but at least you had a good time, right? Next week we'll go to the mall or something, or I'll bring upon a dinner date or something. Oh, my phone just vibrated. The Uber is here. I think you should hurry up and leave so you don't miss it. All right. So I'll talk to you later. Okay. I'll see you later. All right. If anything, I'll text you.
My back is hurting me. Okay, I'll see you later then.
Watch me, look boy. It's all by you. I know I sleep down here with Diana, so them set up the bed upstairs, okay?